Welcome back to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today I'll show you how to install Active Directory on Windows Server 2025 step by step, including server name configuration and static IP setup. If you're working in IT or learning system administration, this is a must-know skill. In this lab, I'm using a fresh installation of Windows Server 2025. We'll first configure hostname and IP address, then install Active Directory domain services, and finally promote this server as a domain controller. Now let's install Active Directory domain services. Open Server Manager, click Manage, and select Add Roles and Features. Click Next until you reach Server Roles. Here, select Active Directory Domain Services and click Add Features. Then proceed and click Install. The server will now restart automatically. After reboot, log in using your domain administrator account. Once installation is complete, click Promote this server to a domain controller. Select Add a new forest and enter your domain name. To verify installation, open Server Manager, go to Tools, and check Active Directory users and computers. Congratulations, your domain controller is ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.